Good morning. Jeremiah 32 verse 27, it says, "Behold, I am the Lord, the God of all flesh. Is anything too hard for me?" Amplified version says, is anything too difficult for me? This is the Lord saying, I am the God of all flesh. I've made anything that you see with your naked eyes. So is there anything that you think will be hard for me? Is there anything that you will ask me and I will not do it for you? So we have some goals that looks too big to be attained. We keep looking back and saying, in my family, we do not achieve these things. In my family, we do not marry and do work with it. In my family, we do not work in the office. It's retail we work at. Is there anything too difficult for me? God is saying this morning, do you think I cannot do it for you? He's asking you a question. But the Bible also says that all things are possible to those who believe. There are also blessings that God sets before us that we should receive, that we should take by faith. But because we constantly look back and say, this is not for me. In my family, we do not do this. I cannot do this. They portray itself like a mountain, those blessings. That is the enemy at work. All you need is courage. All you need is belief. All you need is faith. All you need is strength from the inner man to go and achieve it. So my prayer for you this morning is that the Lord will give you strength from the inner man, that you will be able to walk by faith, because the Bible also says in Hebrews 11:6 that without faith we cannot please God. Therefore, I pray that you walk in faith and you achieve those blessings, you achieve those goals, you take those blessings that God has set before you, those goals that you have written down and said you will achieve it. Habakkuk 2 verse 2 to 4, it says that write down the vision. There's a reason why it says write it down. The more, every time you see it, it's a reminder for you that I will achieve it, that it is possible. But what is standing before you, between you and achieving that goal, between you and taking that goal, is belief, is your faith. I pray that as you go out today, to use your faith to go after your goals, to go and attempt to achieve those goals, you will receive courage to go forward and achieve them. In Jesus' name, amen.